Welcome to Star-Spangled Laff Trakk. Please load each row with no more than 2 riders and 4 riders total per car. Once you are seated, please lower the lap bar to the down position. An attendant will check your lap bar before you depart the station. Thank you for your cooperation and enjoy your ride. For those of you waiting in line, please stand behind the yellow line as the gates will be closing. While the ride is in motion, please remain seated, keeping your arms and legs inside the car at all times. Always hold on to the restraint and keep your head firmly against the backrest. Strict adherence to these rules is required.